Hello everyone! As you know, there is a plugin for After Effects and Figma and Sketch AEUX, and usually it works awesome. But sometimes you see this rainbow circle and you can't do anything. You can restart Figma, restart After Effects, restart everything and nothing works. Always this rainbow, and as you see I press the button and nothing happened. I see nothing in After Effects. And I found that the problem probably is that, as you see here, I'm also working in Premiere, and I have compositions made in After Effects in Premiere. And also you can have this problem if you have running media encoder. So the solution is simple. You should close After Effects, you should close Premiere, you should close media encoder, all versions. Also, you should open Task Manager and check that there are no entities called After Effects or anything of this. Check this on all tabs, and as I understand, this happened that sometimes there are so many entities of After Effects in memory, so AEUX doesn't know where to send data. That's why if you close everything which has name After Effects, wait few seconds, and after this run After Effects, everything works fine. As you can see, I press the button and have result. That's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.